What is your full name? What is your full name? My full name is David Johnson. My full name is David Johnson. Where do you currently live? Where do you currently live? I live in New York City. I live in New York City. What is your nationality? What is your nationality? I am American. I am American. Do you have nickname? Do you have nickname? Yes, my friends call me DJ. Yes, my friends call me DJ. Do you drink coffee in the morning? Do you drink coffee in the morning? Yes, I drink 1 cup every morning. Yes, I drink 1 cup every morning. How do you usually go to work? How do you usually go to work? I take the subway. I take the subway. What do you usually do after work? What do you usually do after work? I go to gym or meet friends. I go to gym or meet friends. What is your favorite cuisine? What is your favorite cuisine? I love Italian food. I love Italian food. Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food? No, I prefer mild flavors. No, I prefer mild flavors. Have you traveled abroad? Have you traveled abroad? Yes, I have visited Japan and France. France. What is your dream travel destination? What is your dream travel destination? I would love to visit Australia. I would love to visit Australia. What is your profession? What is your profession? I am graphic designer. I am graphic designer. How long have you been working? How long have you been working? I have been working for 5 years. I have been working for 5 years. Do you work from home? Do you work from home? Yes, I work remotely. Yes, I work remotely.